Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can solve if your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, if your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on your Android device, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure that the issue is not with your Wi-Fi, because sometimes when you're in a distance and your Wi-Fi don't have enough range, then in that case your phone could keep disconnecting because the range is out of reach, right? The router is too far away from you, so you might want to bring the router near to you. Also, make sure that it is not the issue with your internet. You can try to restart your router, call the ISP or internet service provider, and see if that actually helps you, because sometimes the issue could also be with your Wi-Fi before we try to get on to fix with our device. Now once we do that, we can simply open up settings on our Android phone, then tap on the search bar and simply search for any sort of updates that you might have over here. Once you type in update in the search bar, you will see if you have an update available, so you can try to update it to the recent version. Then after that, you can scroll down and go to the general management option. What I would recommend you do is you go to reset. Now instead of factory resetting and deleting everything on your data, just try to reset the settings only. So tap on reset all settings. This will reset the mobile network, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and accessibility settings. So tap on it, then tap the reset settings option to see if that helps you. Only if that doesn't work, then you can try to factory data reset it. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.